Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here, and we got a shave for you today. It's like a comeback shave. We're going to see how it goes. This is the next day after I first used the MÜHLE NEO. If you guys saw that video, you'll know how that shave went. I'll put a link for it in the description below for those interested. But we've only got a day's worth of growth. Wasn't the closest shave yesterday. So, you know, maybe like 2 days worth of growth. Go with this razor and we'll see how it performs today. And it will be the same Wizamet. So second use Wizamet in there. Alright, now that we got all that out of the way, we're using Smoky Grapefruit from Stirling. Stirling, man, underrated brand. It's up to you as a consumer whether labels and packaging and all that's important to you, because in my opinion, they've got one of the best bases on the market and they're one of the most inexpensive soaps. Not cheap, inexpensive. Quality soap. Tallow, lanolin, all that good stuff. I'll put up the base ingredients. And we don't have to go over scent notes. It's a Smoky Grapefruit. And I know this was a Black Friday release, so I don't know if they've actually got it going on. If they do, I'll find it. I'll put it in the description below. But I needed to use some Stirling. We whipped it up. Can you guess what bowl did we use? Captain's Choice Aquamarine. That is right. And I finally knotted the TRC 3D printed brush. They're like 10 bucks. Not bad. I got a cashmere knot. Black cashmere. Put it on there. I think it looks good. I know some people don't like pink. If you're going to unsubscribe because of my pink brush, I'm sorry. I had one guy tell me when I was using a baby blue razor that he didn't come to hear me talk about quitting smoking and all that good stuff. And then I pull out this girl razor. So, you know, it wasn't a girl razor, but if you felt it was, that's all right. Beautiful lather. I'll probably dial it in on the face once we get it all applied. Just the way we've been going lately, guys. Apply the lather, dial it in. Want a nice, slick, hydrated lather. That's my thing. Not everybody does. Everybody shaves differently, and it's up to you. It's your shave. Do it your way. I've been going through some stuff, guys. I told you I was going to start doing some things new on the channel, and I'm going to be at least a week behind on some of that stuff. And y'all have seen, if you've been around, I do some shorts for like watches I just pick up or something. And one of them, someone's asked, hey dude, can you do a watch review of this? Like, no one's done a watch review of it. It's like, oh, I don't do watch reviews. But if you see a watch review video, guys, don't run from me. It's not like I'm going to start doing them, but like if this guy really wants me to, like, I'll try to figure out how to best do it. But I will do my best to do a watch review. I've watched enough of them that I should be able to, you know, stumble through one. All right, guys, let's give it a go. We're not using the mic today. Y'all tell me what you think versus the previous video, which one sounds better. I feel like I get less feedback on the face with the mic, maybe because it has noise canceling. So we'll just see. First day of spring and it's freaking cold outside. There we go. More hair on the neck than you would suspect. But that's from the shave yesterday. I am buffing more. I generally don't, but I'm also trying to get this angle figured out. Not that it's a difficult angle, I just haven't shaved with razors with angles like this in a while. And I'm always a buffing guy anyways. Yeah, this weekend I don't get the kids. I may get them Saturday. It's up in the air. It's not my weekend to have them, but I asked. I was like, hey, when I get done with work, you know, do you mind if I take the kids and we like finish the Cell saga for Dragon Ball Z? Because like Cell Juniors just got introduced when it was time for them to go home. So I figured we could stay up and have fun Saturday night. But I also understand if the ex-wife has plans or something. She told me she'd let me know. It's Thursday night. She hasn't said anything yet. I'm sure I'll know by Friday, midday or evening. There we go. It's a mild, comfortable razor, guys. So yeah, watch review. My goodness. I don't know. If people want to see more and think it was decent, I can review other stupid watches I have, but you think reviewing shave products is expensive. I'm not buying watches to review on a channel. And it kind of hurts the algorithm if you put up too many different style videos. I do feel like fragrances, shaving, and like watches kind of, it's men's grooming, men's fashion. Those things can overlap. It's not like my channel's huge, but I worked hard to get where I got as a shaving channel. Felt a little, I think my angle was a little off there. Don't think I cut anything, but a more aggressive razor, yes, would have cut the shit out of me. So yeah, I think we'll like try to do sample Saturdays. ASMR, and guys, if the ASMR doesn't do well, they'll go. I just had a few people say, dude, why don't you do full-length ASMR? Why not? You know, it's not a big deal. I like shaving and not having to talk through a video might be, you know, a little nicer for me to do. Because then I just enjoy the shave and the sounds and not talk, and you know, and if it's an ASMR, people understand there's going to be dead air. The dead air will be the sounds in the background, and that's what you're showing up for. But yeah, we'll try to like sample, razor review once a week. No, I'm sorry, sample, shave, review, like soap samples. Every other week, razor review. And then I'll still try to do my shorts here and there. So with any luck, great performing soap, by the way, guys. No, I'm not reviewing it, but don't sleep on Stirling. If the catalog is overwhelming to you, PAA should be overwhelming to you. At this point, Ariana and Evan should be overwhelming. So many different artisans that have been around a while should be overwhelming then. And if you want to buy labels, I get it. But man, Stirling's got great product. Aftershave splash that I really enjoy. Is it what people would call average? Because yeah. but I like a good alcohol splash. That's my jam. Their scent strength is generally strong. This was a medium scent strength. Wasn't super strong, but it's grapefruit. And some people do get that citrus up there really high, but this one wasn't. It was a nice smoky grapefruit. Oh, looks like I have a phone call. Guys, you know the drill. We're going to rinse up. Be right back. All right, guys, we are back. See? Phone call. Had it on Do Not Disturb. Ex-wife said, hey, do you still want the kids this Saturday? So I told her yes. Maybe we still get them. All right, here we go. Smoky grapefruit. Nice alcohol splash. Guys, this is a very mild razor, but if you watch the previous video, you don't want to take down like a week's worth of growth, at least with the way I grow facial hair. And I'm not saying that I grow more facial hair and thicker than anybody else. I'm just saying that I do have some coarse facial hair. And if I would have got a nice burn, which means, honestly, if I'm burning like that, that might be a little fragrance. That did not feel so alcoholic. And this was a very smooth shave, so I wouldn't have, yeah. Ooh, really on the smoky end with the splash more than the grapefruit. Really nice. But it is a rindy grapefruit. I guess I went to my hands because the splash was there. Very kind of rindy grapefruit, which is nice. Very nice. Yeah. Guys, Captain's Choice. You know that's my go-to. I know everybody's got their favorite. A lot of people like the HT&C. Old school guys still like their Perriera or whatever it is. Bowls. You got bowl lathers that like their Vanulays. Pick your own, man. As a matter of fact, the TRC Unbreakable Shave Bowl. This brush matches some of the bowls. Like, you can match your brush to the bowl. They're 3D printed. I'll show you a little bit better. You can see the line from the 3D printing. You can kind of see, you just see it doesn't look perfectly smooth and perfect, but it's a 3D printed brush. It's inexpensive. It's got a nice little coin on the bottom. The texture does make it so it's not going to slip in your hand as easily. It's a way to get a variety of colors with a variety of knots inexpensively, like what, $10 for the handle, and pick out whatever brush you want or whatever knot you want from TRC. I personally went black cashmere just because I like a cashmere knot, and come on, what other color would you do? But I mean, you can put like an $80 badger knot in there if that's what you wanted to do. You could use silicone, see how you like that knot before you like place it in a high-end brush permanently and then take it out. So many options. Like, I like it. I'm telling you, it's not perfect, but for what I paid and what it is, I like it. It works great. It works fine. Guys, don't sleep on Stirling, man. Go to their website, check some stuff out. I highly recommend it. You can't get it at a lot of different websites. Generally, they only let you carry it if you have a brick and mortar store. So that's why you can find it at places like the Razor Company. All right, is that it, guys? Y'all let me know what you think. I do appreciate you making it this far. All of you that support me, spend your time watching. Man, that is bothering me the way that's looking in the camera. Look like there's a big line there, but it's really just a few gray hairs that make it look different. Anyways, you made it this far. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit that noti bell. We'll catch you next shave. Actually, next watch review, I guess. See, look, no watch on. I just got out of the shower, hadn't even put one on. But all right, guys, catch you next shave.